guys, we have got ringneck ducks out here. Black and white are the males. Brown is the female. And over here we have, ooh, is that the grebe? That might be the grebe right there. And right there, I think there's ruddies. These guys are moving fast because they seen us. The ruddies. There's a grebe out there too. They're cute. Did you see the grebe? Right there. That's a pie-billed grebe. Oh, he just went under. And then right next to them are the ruddy ducks, and they're sleeping. They're sleeping. I don't know where the pie-billed will pop back up. All right, bye everyone.